In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate on click in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva so you can work directly on the page where you want the animation to happen. This feature is useful when you want elements to appear one at a time during a presentation, making your slides feel more polished, controlled, and engaging for your audience. Once your design is open, click on the specific element you want to animate. This could be text, an image, a shape, or another object on your canvas. It's important to select the exact item first, because Canva applies the animation settings to the element you currently have highlighted. After selecting the element, go to the top toolbar and click Animate. This will open the animation options for that selected item. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Animate panel, where Canva gives you different ways to control how the element enters or behaves. At the top of that panel, look for the Appear on Click setting. You should see a toggle on the right side of it. Turn that toggle on to enable the feature. This tells Canva that the selected element should not appear immediately, but instead should show up only when you click during the presentation. That's the key setting that creates the on-click animation effect. Once that option is enabled, choose the animation effect you want to use. You can select the style that best matches the tone of your presentation, whether you want something subtle and clean or a bit more noticeable. After choosing the effect, take a moment to configure any additional settings available for it. Adjusting these settings helps you fine-tune how the animation feels, so it matches the pace and style of your design. If you want multiple elements to appear on click, simply repeat the same process for each one. Select the next item, click Animate, enable Appear on Click, then choose and adjust the effect. If your design includes several click-based animations, make sure you also configure the click order. This is especially important when you have many animated elements on the same page, because it controls the sequence in which they appear when you present. And that's it. Once you've set up your animations, your Canva design will be ready to reveal elements on click in a smooth and intentional way. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how clear and professional your presentation feels.